guess you call this poor man's outdoor furnace here. Either way, got a nice pipe sticking up out of it. It's actually a sink. Here's where the, of course, it was an industrial sink, stainless steel, welded up right there where the drain was, and framed in the door this year because I had leakage problems. Worked great though. And we'll put some rope caulk around the door right there. Had to weld all this up a little bit because the door flexed out on me. Put a handle on it. Little slide right there on the bottom. Works real good. And sealed up the top of the sink right there with a piece of stainless steel. And got the hole right there for the damper. Had to make a damper for it. And right there is the damper. I got to redo it because the bolt kind of stripped in the nuts. So I got to grind that off there and refix it. Either way, we take this unit right here, and we're going to take it and we're going to put it in a washer. Actually, I put a bottom on it and 2 holes for ducts to come out right there. And then we're going to put the top back on and put a little rope caulk right there around the top, and we're going to put this on to keep the rain off of it. And worked real good last year. Either way, you're going to slide it in there. I'll do another video of it working here later. And right there is the front where the door is going to be right there. So we're going to close it all in. We're going to put some little bit of aluminum tape all the way around it, and we're going to put insulation around it. And like I said, it worked real good last year. Kept me warm. Didn't have to run the furnace one time. I ran it 24/7. It was non-stop. And could actually adjust it. It would run maximum 16 hours with hickory or locust and or oak. But I mean, we're talking a max. Average was about 8 hours. Depends on how cold it is outside, of course. And there you have it. That's pretty much about it. A little booger fits inside the washer, and I got a fan inside. I can't show you that because I have it up there in the building getting ready to pull it out. And hooked the fan up on the inside, and I just got it ran through a window because it ain't got enough force to really put it in ductwork. I tried it, didn't work very good. So we just put it back in the window. It's a lot safer doing it this way than to put a wood stove in, apparently, especially in a piece of junk mobile home. Either way, the little fan, it does good. Keeps the whole house warm. Accidentally overheated it and had it up to, I don't know, it pegged out the thermostat. Let's put it that way. Had to open the doors to get it cooled down. But there you go. My junk ingenuity when you can't afford an outdoor unit. Let's put it that way. And y'all have a nice day.